So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create an Instagram advertisement here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is once you open up VistaCreate, go to the top left, press on the home screen right here, then go to the search bar. The simplest way to do this is just to search up Instagram right here. And then below it'll say, post, story, post. If you don't see what you're looking for, if you want advertisement, just type in Instagram ad right here. And then suggested formats is Instagram ad 1080 by 1080. Or what else you can do is just exit out of this, go to the For You button right here, then slide this all the way across until you come across an option that says Instagram ad right here, 1080 by 1080. We'll go ahead and press on this right here. Now what this is going to do is open up a new page where you can now create an Instagram advertisement with these same dimensions. So you can go to the left and select a template if you're looking for a template. So if you wanted to, maybe this one right here, let's pick a example of, let's just say, horse racing. There you go, a horse racing advertisement. So you can go ahead and take this template and edit it, edit it, whatever the case may be. You can upload your own information, whatever it is. You feel free to create your Instagram advertisement here through VistaCreate. So as I mentioned before, this is a pretty straightforward tutorial on how to create an Instagram advertisement here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.